Welcome to our channel 1 Step where we post tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how to log in into your federal student aid account. It's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel 1 Step, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, search for federal student aid login just like this. And after you search for it, the first option where it says federal student aid, click on it and make sure it takes you to studentaid.gov. That's the official website for it. Since it's a government-owned website, it has .gov. Now, once you're on this page where it says email, enter your email or your phone number or your FSA ID or your username. You can enter whatever you want. I will just enter my email over here, but as I said, you can enter whatever information you're comfortable with. Where it says password, just enter the password of your account and click on login. And if the email and password is correct, you should be able to log in into your federal student aid account. And if you forgot your username and password, you can also click on these two options to recover them. So that's it for today's video. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel 1 Step. I'll see you guys next time.